high ಅಂತ ಬರೋದು ಅದೇ ಲೂಸರ್ very low.
Do not be alarmed. You have just heard the sounding of an important message signal through the island-wide network of the public warning system Siren.
Our place very low.
Held annually on
Because it's
15th
never
February
the
and
area
15th
is not near our
September.
house.
The sounding and the radio and TV broadcast message are part of SCDF's continuous efforts to familiarize the public with the PWS signals and to raise awareness on how the public should react upon hearing the signal.
That's all. One
The
second.
important message signal, which you have just heard, alerts the population to tune in to an important broadcast on any
Now
local
here radio,
radio
now the
station
TV
or
will show
free-to-air
different
TV
time.
channel during major emergencies. The important message signal will also sound for all smartphones that have the SG Secure mobile app downloaded. The signal will stop once the message is acknowledged or ceased after 20 seconds. This will be followed by a brief text on the PWS
Here now they
signal.
will show.
In a real emergency, tune in immediately to any local radio station or free-to-air TV channel for an important message on public protective measures when you hear the important message signal. The public warning system has two other signals, namely the alarm signal and the all clear signal. When you hear the alarm signal,
Now.
move to a shelter immediately.
Why? Why, Mojo? Why, Mojo?
The all clear signal
Okay,
is sounded
later.
when the threat is over and you can leave the shelter.
1 minute now. 1
Visit
second now.
scdf.gov.sg to know more about the PWS signals. This message is brought to you by SCDF.